Welcome to Oak Island, and I'm Cris Young on the air. I'm asked constantly, hey, I have a new heating and air system. It's just not as effective in some areas of the house and some rooms. And I was just wondering, what's the most economical thing I can do to enhance the comfort? First off, registers like this, delivery grills, think of the air conditioning vents inside your car. See how I can see you and you can see me through this? Some homes have basic registers that are very restrictive to airflow. So some of the first things we do when somebody has a new system looking to make it more efficient is we enhance it with better air delivery grills, increasing the efficiency by up to 10%. In addition to that, even though you might have a new system in a new home, have the ductwork inspected. Sometimes their strapping is too tight. Think of a kinked garden hose. We want the system to breathe. Air changes matter. You get comfortable in the home by moving air across a coil, a chilled surface, and we do two things. We drop temperature and we remove moisture. So proper delivery grills, ducts not kinked, properly sealed, that's how you get the most efficient comfort possible. And if you have a newer system, we'd love to take a look at that to see if we can enhance your comfort.
You can call Oak Island.